Namaste, and welcome everyone to this rituals meditation. This short meditation is meant to be practiced under the shower. It is inspired by the ritual of Banyu, which recognizes the healing and cleansing properties of water. Water brings us life. We use it every day to bathe and nourish ourselves. But due to our busy lives, we often take it for granted. In this meditation, we aim to bring pause and awareness to a simple daily task, recognizing that soulfulness is always available. Just with our intention, something ordinary can become sacred and meaningful. Take a moment as we begin to simply feel the warmth and sensation of the water on your body. Notice how you feel. Notice what this brings to you. Just an awareness on the simple sensation of the water on your body. Nothing more, nothing less. Try to let the simple feeling of the running water on your body soothe and calm your mind. Let the warmth relax you. Maybe you close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. As you inhale, evoke a gentle feeling of gratitude. Gratitude for water as a life-giving and purifying gift of nature. As you exhale, allow any exhaustion or irritation or stress to be washed away. Inhale gratitude. Exhale, allow the water upon your body to wash away any pain. Just relax. Allow yourself the simple gift of relaxation. And most importantly, allow yourself to enjoy the experience. As we end, take a brief moment to recognize your connection and relationship to water. As we recognize this connection, we begin to see water as a precious commodity, a natural resource not to be wasted, but used wisely and with compassion, gratitude, and awareness. Take a deep breath. And I hope you enjoy your day or your evening that awaits you. Namaste.